photograph in which we were in love, caught in your eyes, waiting for the sunrise. I barely even knew who you were. What did you do? I didn't care, 'cause you were perfect, I swear. But somebody told
Guys,
Hello everyone.
welcome back to our channel.
Yeah.
It's been a while. We did a sit down video, right?
Like it's been very long. Like last time we did it like last year, 2019. So happy new year everyone. Like,
No, I think we had one early this year.
oh yeah, we talked about Thanksgiving, what we're thankful for. Sorry. I'm very sorry. Okay. So welcome back to our YouTube channel. So this is another new video from us to you.
Yeah, guys.
As you know, she is the ever beautiful Esther.
Oh.
And as you know, I am Daodu. Always Daodu. Stay Daodu. Bless Daodu. Me Daodu.
You're back again.
Fully hyped today.
You're back again with being so hyped.
Okay, so today let's just go straight to the point. We don't like talking too much. I talk too much. So today we want to just talk about something very interesting. We're back to talking, like we said before. So we want to talk about
Pressure.
I want to talk about the big P, pressure. This is 2020. This is a new year.
Yeah.
New beginning, and we need to talk about the word pressure.
Exactly.
Like,
I don't know.
Okay.
Sorry,
go ahead.
I don't know. We're just discussing about some things in our lives that we're like, oh, you know, at some stage we're supposed to do this, we're supposed to do that, and then we just thought about it and was like, do you know, being here and being in this stage of your life alone is what's being happy for, and is what something.
Thank you.
And also, like, I don't think we have to pressure ourselves to do so much. Like, let's just keep going at what we can, and if there's more room for us to go at a better pace, then we go for it. And then it just struck us that, oh, probably we should just do a YouTube video talking about pressure, because we're sure, like, not just us going through such phase in life whereby you're thinking about going ahead of some things, or thinking about being in this position, thinking about doing this for your relationship and all that. So we decided to come up with this video.
Okay, for me, like last year is 1 year. Now this year is a new year whereby you'll be like starting a new year, like new age. So you might feel, oh, for example, ladies, you might feel, oh, last year I was 29, now I'm going to be 30, and I've not seen a guy to marry, or I've not seen any guy to ask me out, or I've not seen any guy to propose to me. My sister out there, I want to tell you, be patient. Don't be pressurized. Don't be pressured. Just don't put pressure on yourself. What I'm very sure is 2020 is going to be a very blissful year. So what I just feel is, don't let what people say around you determine your actions.
Yeah.
They can pressurize you to doing something bad. But once the outcome starts taking course in your life,
you're going to face the outcome on your own.
Alone. They will not remember the time they were telling you to do it like this, go ahead and do it like this, do it like this. So I just feel God's time is the best. It's always the best. Don't feel pressure like, my mates are ahead of me.
Yeah.
My mates are married, they have 1 kid, 2 kids, or somebody that as at last year I'm much better than this person, but this year the person is better than me. Keep calm. Fine, it's okay to feel worried. It's okay to definitely feel worried, but don't put too much pressure on yourself. It causes sickness. You have too much heart attack, like pressurizing your heart and all.
You have high blood pressure at the end of the day.
You start thinking too much. Even where you're supposed to focus where you're supposed to now channel this energy to get better, you forget angle and feel pressurized towards not even thinking straight anymore. That you end up not meeting your target anymore. This is a new year. Start up well. Start planning your each day well. That's the most important thing. Plan each day well. If it comes to meeting somebody, go out, interact, socialize, talk to people. Go see, just pick up your purse one day and just go to an eatery. Go and sit down there.
Give yourself a treat.
Give yourself a special treat. Sit down there. You'll be so surprised that one guy or one lady will walk up to you and say hello. Or you will hit one lady by the door and her books will fall down and you guys will stare each other in the eyes. And something will start off from there.
Korean drama.
It's the truth, but that's how it is. But because this life, we don't have to pressure ourselves. You can see some of your friends buying
really
bands, buying these things. It's okay to be worried. It's okay to think, yeah, I want to achieve this point. I want to, but
do not pressure yourself to just keep calm and just, you know, keep working hard and doing what you're doing. Don't feel so worried that, oh, this person is 10 steps ahead of me. I'm supposed to be 20 steps ahead of this person. How come this person is 10 steps ahead of me? Just keep doing what you are doing. You'll be so surprised. Yeah, you'll be so surprised that even you yourself are talking about this person being ahead of you. At a twinkle of an eye like this,
everything can change.
Everything changes for
even
you.
If everything, you'll be so surprised that even in some aspect of life, that person is also wishing to
experience
to be like some things that you are even experiencing.
To be like
so we don't really know. So the main thing is, we won't tell you that we are happy with everything,
yes,
but we won't pressurize ourselves. That's
exactly. We just take life
we take it one day at a go. We can't die. We can't die. We cannot come and go and kill ourselves.
What's that?
It's our Nigerian English. So that's just the bitter truth. We can't just die. We'll have to just take things slowly, gradually.
Yes.
And just pray, God, just put everything in God's hands. God, let your will be done. Let it go as planned, the way you have planned for us. In the Bible, it says, before you were born, He knows your plan. So if God already, just know that His plan, your plan is working. Just know how to liaise with Him, so He will tell you when your plan will come to pass.
Yeah.
So it's much better like that than pressurizing yourself. So this pressure topic goes
a very
long way in terms of relationship in particular. Ladies, guys, you are not married or you're expecting a child.
Yeah.
Be patient.
Be patient.
I'm very sure God is going to answer your prayers. Those laughing at you right now, tomorrow
we end up celebrating
with you. So it's just patience, There is always light at the end of the tunnel.
Yeah, and there's always a time for everything.
There's always a time.
And everyone has different timing.
Yes.
Your time might not be now.
Your own time might be 1 o'clock. Yours should be 1 o'clock, 1 minute, 1:01. So just take your time. So don't rush. If you try going because of you want to do it this narrow way, you want to go and get it quickly, you will now miss your own time and you end up not still getting it.
Yeah.
So just patience and you will get it.
And in terms of financially, aside from the relationship aspect of it, which you know that somehow some people are really pressurized about this whole relationship and marriage thing. We know, we understand, because let's not talk. Anyway, so we're just encouraging those in such situations that are thinking like, oh, what time, just chill out. Don't worry, things is going to go well. And aside from the relationship aspect, financially also, just try as much as possible to keep doing what you are doing with all your mind. Keep thinking of ways to improve positively. Keep thinking of ways to do things differently, and you would see it will all pay out at the end of the day. So that's what I have to say.
That's this whole story.
And yeah, aside from that, talk to someone. If you are being pressurized about something, don't just keep it to yourself, because most times when you keep it to yourself is when it hits you so hard, because a problem shared, right, is a problem solved. So try as much as possible to have like a close friend, a relative. Be
watchful of the person you relate with as well.
That's
not
true.
Not the ones that will start laughing at you at the back, or start gossiping at the back. It's also
be watchful of who you relate with at the same time. But yet, aside from that, just try as much as possible not to lock everything in here, not to lock everything within yourself, and just stay at one side and not relate to people or not talk about whatever you're going through. Please discuss to an extent. Sometimes a word or two from a stranger or from somebody just relieves you, like, are you serious? So someone else is even going through far more difficult situation than I am going through.
Eases the burden on you.
Yeah, eases the burden on you. Or sometimes you're like, oh, I needed this encouragement at this time, or I needed this at this time. Yeah, I think that's it. That should be all. Yeah, we love you all. Thank you for subscribing to our channel. Thank you for the love. Thank you for liking our videos, for the comments. Oh my god, you guys are really awesome.
Very awesome.
Yeah, very awesome.
The subscribers rate now recently has just
gone really high.
So really appreciate that.
Really appreciate you guys. And not just the subscription, we love the fact that aside from those subscribing, you also take your time to watch our videos and comments. We can't even thank you guys enough. Thank you so much, and we love you. See you in the next one. Goodbye for now. Bye.
Bye.